Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned a poem, The Shade. The shade is in the bottom of the garden. The child is afraid to go. He is hesitated to go there, but he is very curious that one day he will go there. He is afraid to tell his brother because he thinks that his brother will occupy the place. So let's learn working with the poem. Answer the following questions. Who is the speaker in the poem? So, a child is the speaker in the poem. Is she or he afraid or curious or both? So, he is both afraid and curious both. What is she or he planning to do soon? Okay, so she or he is planning to look into the shade soon. Number 4, but not just red, suggest doubt, fear, hesitation, laziness, or something else. Choose the word which seems right to you. Tell others why do you choose it. Tell others why do you choose it. Okay? So, the answer is the phrase suggests hesitation. He hesitates to expose his brother. He hesitates to expose his brother. He wants to keep him. He wants to keep him. He wants to keep him away from the shade. He wants to keep him away from the shade. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 2. It is in the first question. Answer the following questions. We have completed the 4. Number 2. Is there a room in your house or a house in your neighborhood, locality, where you would rather not go alone and never at night? If there is such a place and a story to go with it, let others hear all about it. Okay, so here two answers are given. There is no such place in my neighborhood, or I live in a village. There are some ruins of very old buildings in our neighborhood. Nobody knows how old these ruins are, but people are afraid to go into it even during the day. We children have been particularly warned not to go there. At night, even the village policeman doesn't go anywhere close to it. They say it is a haunted house and strange things happen there at night. Okay, so we have completed working with the poem. Together we will go to a revision part of our poem, that is short answer type questions. Where is the shade located? The shade is located at the bottom of the garden. What does the spider's web hanging across the door indicate? The spider's web hanging across the door indicates that no one has opened the door since long years. When the child was looking at the shade, he was feeling that since long no one has opened the door of this shade. Number 3, what does the poet hear when he is in bed? So we know night, during the night from his window the poet can see the shade. But what does he hears? So the rusty things make a cracking sound in the wind. The speaker hears these sound when he is in bed. From where does someone seem staring at the poet? So when poet looks at the shade, he feels from the broken window, from the broken glass, someone is seeing him. So someone seems straight at the poet from the cracked glass panes of the window. Describe the window of the shade. Okay, let's describe the window of the shed. The window has 3 glass panes. These panes are cracked. The window is covered with dust. And the last question is, why does the child want to get in? The child wants to get in because he is very curious to know what is there inside the shed. Naturally, if you are there, if I am there, we all will be curious to know what is inside the shed. Okay, we all will be curious to know what is inside the shed. So dear students, this was our today's exercise, the working with the poem as well as the short type of questions. Write down in your notebook with a good handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.